Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nur Shufa binti Rohizat. My metric number is 285562. I am student Bachelor of Science in Economy Sem 1 for a session A211. So, this video is to present about assignment Introduction to Mathematical Economy Group B.
So the question is given, ZALILA Enterprise can produce at most 120 units of high quality pottery vase for the European market each year. The demand equation for the vase is P equal to x square minus 100x plus 3,200. The enterprise average cost is 2/3 x square minus 40x plus 10,000 over x. Question 1a. Find the total revenue function. To find the total revenue function, we need to use the formula P price multiply x quantity. So, use the equation P that has given and substitute into the formula. The answer we'll get is x cubed minus 100x square plus 3,200x. Question 1b. Find the total cost function C. To find the average cost function, the formula is total cost divided by x. But we only have the equation for average cost function. So, we will move x for another side and we will use the formula the average cost function multiply x. Then, the answer is 2/3 x cubed minus 40x square plus 10,000. Question 1c. Find the total profit function. We will use the formula revenue minus cost. So, after calculate it, we will get the total profit function is 1/3 x cubed minus 60x square plus 3,200x minus 10,000. Question 1d. Determine the output level that will maximize profit and the amount of profit obtained. So, this part, we have 3 steps to solve it. First step is find the first derivative using the formula power of a rule function. And after substitute it, we will get the answer is x square minus 120x plus 3,200. Further, step 2, solve the derivative. Actually, to solve it, we have many formula that can use, such as factor and quadratic. I choose to use quadratic formula like in slide, and after do the calculation, the output level that will maximize profit is 40 and 80 unit. Last step is find the amount profit we will obtain. We know that the output level that will maximize profit is 40 and 80 unit. Then substitute 40 and 18 unit into the demand equation to compare which output will maximize profit. For the 40 units, get the profit $43,333.33. For the next output, which 18 unit, get the profit $32,666.67. The result for the output level that will maximize profit is 40 units and the amount of profit obtained is $43,333.33. Let's move to the question 2. In this question, we need to find y-intercept. This question quite simple because we just are setting x equal to 0. So, replace 0 for the x in the demand equation. The answer is negative 10,000. Question 2b. Find the interval where the function is increasing or decreasing. In this case, we solve it using the p-prime equation. The p-prime equation is x squared minus 120x plus 3200 and setting p equal to 0. And we will get the x is 18 and 14. Let's consider the value is 15, 16 and 110 into p-prime equation to test which interval is increasing and decreasing. Like we can see, p is increasing on the interval 0, 14 and 18, 120 and decreasing on the interval 14 and 18. Question 2c. Find the interval where the function is concave upwards or downwards. For the first step, we need to find the second derivative with the same formula, that is power of rule function. After we substitute in the formula and solve it, we will get the answer for the second derivative is 2x minus 120. Next step, I setting p double prime x equal to 0 and get x equal to 16. We consider the interval is 0, 16 and 16, 120. Therefore, p double prime x will smaller than 0 when x is smaller than 16. So, p is concave downward, or the interval is 0, 16. Why? P double prime x will greater than 0 when x is greater than 16. So, p is concave upward with interval 60 into 120. Question 2d. Find the inflection point. In this case, we need to use the second derivative again. Okay, let's setting p double prime equal to 0 and we will get the answer is 16. Furthermore, replace x with 16 into the demand equation and get the answer 38,000. Inflection point is 16 and 38,000. So, refer to the graph in slide. The point of absolute minimum is 0 and negative 10,000. Next, relative maximum is 14 and 43,333.33. The inflection point is 16 and 38,000. Then, relative minimum point is 18 and 32,666.67. The last one is absolute maximum. The point is 120 and 86,000. In this question, I add the label of increasing and decreasing coordinate, and I also add concave downward and concave upward into the graph. Then, the absolute minimum is also y-intercept. And the last one, the interval point to plot is 0 to 120.
So, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.